Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize using Kibana role permissions for VPS logs step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Kibana interface. Navigate to the management section in the left sidebar. Select Stack Management from the options available. Click on Roles under the Security category. Locate and click the Create Role button to begin creating a new role. Enter a meaningful name for your role in the designated field. Scroll down to the Index Privileges section to set the necessary permissions. Select the relevant indices associated with your VPS logs. Assign the desired privileges such as Read, Write, or Manage. Next, proceed to the Cluster Privileges section if additional choose the appropriate cluster privileges, if necessary, for your role. After completing the permissions, scroll to the Users section. Assign the users who will have this role by searching and selecting from the list. Verify that all settings are correct before finalizing. Click the Create button to save your new role. Now, navigate to the Users section under the Security category. Select the user to whom you want to assign the new role. In the User settings, find the Role Assignment section. Add the newly created role to the user's profile. Save the changes to apply the role to the user. To test the authorization, log in as the user with the new role. Access the Kibana interface and attempt to view the VPS logs. Ensure that the user can access the intended logs as per the assigned permissions. If any issues arise, revisit the role settings to verify permissions. Repeat the testing process until the desired access is confirmed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.